In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to N8N seamlessly. Whether you're looking to automate your e-commerce processes or just streamline your workflow, integrating WooCommerce with N8N can be a game changer for your business operations. So, let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. First, ensure you're in the N8N editor and are ready to set up your credentials. To begin this journey, navigate towards the Credentials section. This step is crucial because it's where you will establish a secure link between WooCommerce and N8N, allowing them to communicate effectively. Look for the option to create new credentials. You'll choose the one specific to WooCommerce. By doing this, you're paving the way for a successful integration that would otherwise remain unattainable without the proper credentials. Once you've located the Create New button under the WooCommerce option, you'll be prompted to enter some information that links your WooCommerce store with N8N. This part is a bit technical but straightforward. You'll need to have your WooCommerce URL at hand. This URL is essentially the web address of your WooCommerce store, and it's a vital piece of information because it tells N8N where to look for your WooCommerce data. Next, you will need your consumer key and consumer secret. These keys are important elements of the WooCommerce REST API and serve as your store's username and password for third-party integrations like N8N. If you haven't generated these yet, you can do so from your WooCommerce account under the API settings. Just be sure to copy them exactly as they appear, as any errors here could lead to problems down the line. After entering the WooCommerce URL, consumer key, and consumer secret into their respective fields within N8N, take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. This might seem like an extra task, but ensuring these details are correct will save you headaches from troubleshooting errors later. In some instances, despite your best efforts, you might encounter authentication issues, such as a notification that the consumer key is missing. But don't worry. There's a way to tackle this common hurdle. In such cases, enable the Include Credentials in Query option. What this does is pass your consumer key and secret directly via URL parameters, which sometimes resolves the issue by ensuring the credentials are correctly transmitted to WooCommerce. With these steps followed meticulously, your WooCommerce should now be successfully linked with N8N, ready to automate and elevate your business operations. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to integrate WooCommerce with N8N. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful to your integration journey.